Hello students, today we will continue the chapter lines and angles. In this class we will discuss about parallel lines and transversal line. Let's discuss about transversal line. Transversal line means a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called transversal line. See here, this line is intersects these two lines at distinct point. Yes or no? This is called our transversal line. Here L is a transversal line of M and N. Yes or no? Here transversal line there is no necessary. The parallel lines. These are not parallel. See, this distance and this distance are not same. So these two are not parallel. We can also consider this. See here, this is a transversal line of these two. L is transversal line of these two, M and N line. Yes or no? Because this intersects two distinct points. But this is not the transversal line of M and N. Because it's not intersects different point. This intersects only single point. So this is not our transversal line. Understood the concept of transversal line? See here, these three lines, this transversal line and these two lines are made up of 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes or no? These 8 angles are interior angles. In these 8 angles there are some interior angles and exterior angles. Interior angles are 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the interior angles. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are the interior angles. Exterior angles are 1, 2, 7, 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angle. Understood? These 8 angles are classified into some groups. First one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means the angles in matching corner are called corresponding angles. See, matching corner means this 1 and 5 is a matching corner. See, this matching corner or not? Here 4 and 8. This matching corner. Yes or no? And this side 2 and 6. Angle 2 and angle 6 are the matching corner. Angle 3 and angle 7 are the matching corner. These are called corresponding angles. By using axiom, we can say the relationship between the corresponding angles. This axiom. If two lines are parallel, pair of corresponding angles formed are equal. See, these two are parallel lines. In this pair of corresponding angles are matching corner. Yes or no? Just I say these angles formed, no, these are all equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. These two are matching corner or not? These two are equal, and angle 4 and angle 8 are equal. Angle 4 and angle 8 are equal. Angle 3 and angle 7 are equal. Angle 2 and angle 6 are equal. By this axiom. Okay. Here, one more axiom is there. Converse of corresponding angle axiom. Converse means it's ulta. Means it's reverse. Here they given parallel lines and you want to show this pair of corresponding angles are equal. Converse means they given corresponding angles are equal. Then we can say these two lines are parallel. Okay, this is the converse of corresponding angles axiom. Okay, understood? Next comes to alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means we know interior angles. These are 3, 4, 5, 6 are the interior angles. but they asked for alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means a pair of angles on the inner side of each of those two angles, these two angles, but on opposite side of transversal. See, pair of angles in the inner pair of angles on the inner side of these two angles. Pair of angles, this inner side of these two angles. So these two lines, but the opposite side of this transversal. Means 4 and 6, 3 and 5 are the pair of alternate interior angles. Okay. See, by using this theorem, we can say these two pair of alternate interior angles are equal. See this theorem. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. See, they given transversal intersects two parallel lines. This transversal intersects two parallel lines. Then each pair of alternate interior angles. These are pair of interior angles are not 4 and 6, 3 and 5 are pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Means this 4 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. By this theorem, we can say these alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. One more theorem is there. Converse of alternate interior angles. Converse means its reverse. They given alternate interior angles are equal. Means it says that these two lines are parallel. See. Converse of alternate interior angles. If pair of interior angles, pair of interior alternate angles formed are equal, the lines will be parallel. See, these lines will be parallel. Okay, understood? Next comes to alternate exterior angles. We know about alternate interior angles. These are the alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles means angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. Okay, they formed four pair of two angles. Yes or no? 1, 7 is one pair of angle, 2 and 8 are one pair of angles, alternate exterior angles. Okay, these two are equal. Similarly, we can say that alternate exterior angles are also equal. Okay.